If your Google Pixel phone, especially Pixel 7 Pro, screen flickers at low brightness, try these fixes before worrying about your hardware issues. Solution 1. Set brightness manually. Go to Settings, then Display, and then Brightness Level. Adjust the slider manually. Sometimes auto brightness causes flicker at low levels, and this simple step often fixes it instantly. Solution 2. Turn off dark theme and night light. Go to Settings and then Display, and then turn off dark theme, then night light, and then you can turn it off. These fixes can sometimes trigger flickering at low brightness. Turning them off helps stabilize your screen. Solution 3. Disable hardware overlays. Go to Settings and then Developer Options. Disable HW overlays. Turn it on. This forces the GPU to handle screen rendering, which usually eliminates flicker completely. So that's it. Try the steps before thinking about a screen replacement. They fix most low brightness flicker issues. If this video worked, then please like the video and share with your friends who are facing the same. Thanks for watching.